What if we told you there's a fast and easy way to create WordPress websites? A way you can bring world-class design and limitless customization to each page without UI or coding knowledge. Too good to be true, right? Wrong. Introducing Envato Elements Template Kits. The faster, easier, and fully flexible way to create a premium WordPress website with Elementor. With hundreds of professional designs at your fingertips, Template Kits allows you to build your perfect website and control your design from one place, without coding or design skills. Full freedom, limitless combinations, no restrictions. So how does it work? Find the perfect template kit for your niche on Envato Elements, or mix and match your favorite bits from multiple kits. Import to Elementor, drag and drop your favorite pre-designed content blocks and pages straight onto your site, seamlessly customize the template to suit your needs, then easily add, switch, or update the content blocks at any time. It's really that simple. So, whether you're creating a website for your business, portfolio, or to make your big break as a blindfolded cake-juggling ice skater, template kits make it easy to deliver professional websites faster. Ready to get started? With a subscription to Envato Elements, you can download unlimited template kits from the world's most popular WordPress designers and fully customize your site with millions of digital creative assets for no extra cost. Check out the selection of template kits available on Envato Elements now. Template kits, the faster, easier way to create WordPress websites.